Hello guys, welcome back to part 3 of this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Now in this part 3 of this tutorial series, we are going to see the different affiliate marketplaces available out there for beginners to enroll into. Now let's get straight into our screen, and if you stay tuned till the end, I'm going to show you a brand new platform where you can join as a beginner and start promoting products. So the first affiliate marketplace that we are going to see is a Warrior Plus. Now Warrior Plus will be my number one go-to for a beginner, especially when you're trying to promote your affiliate products through solo ads. So for Warrior Plus, you have to sign up for free over here, and you'll be asked to enter like your name and address, and also you have to provide your ID or some kind of proof, and then you have to pay a small amount of $5 as a user registration fee that you can easily get approved once you provide all those details. So once you sign up, the page looks like this, and here you can see the different products available over here which are top for performing. And you can see the top products. When you click on today, you can see these products are performing well today, and you can also click on yesterday and for the last 7 days and for the last 30 days. And from there, you can try to click on this and get the affiliate link and start promoting it. Now, ClickBank is the second platform that we are going to discuss, and ClickBank is one of the longest serving platforms in the affiliate industry. And you can always start with by clicking here, the start here, and enrolling into with your email address and details. So once you sign up with ClickBank, you will reach this page where you can see the homepage of ClickBank. And when you want to go straight to the affiliate marketing products, then you can just go and click on this search button over here. And when you click on this, you can see the different categories over here, and you can see all the top products that are currently converting. And mostly these are health related products, health and weight loss products. So basically we are going to promote make money online products. So make money online products normally comes under the e-biz and e-marketing niche. So you can always choose this e-biz and e-marketing, and from there you can choose your products. Now the third affiliate marketplace that we're going to discuss is Digistore. Now Digistore24 is another affiliate marketplace similar to ClickBank, and it looks almost similar to ClickBank. And you can always join in by clicking on the get started button over here, and you can always enter your details and get signed up. Once you sign up, you can see the Digistore24 dashboard, and over here when you click on all offers in the affiliate marketplace, you can see it is almost similar to the ClickBank, where you can see mostly the health related products. And when you want to go for the make money online products, then you can go and click on the digital products over here, and then when you go down, you can see the online marketing and e-biz, which is the make money online and biz op niche. So you can always choose, and you can start getting your links and start promoting the products. Now the fourth platform that we are going to see is JVZoo. Now JVZoo is also a affiliate marketplace that has been long in this game, and you can pretty much get mostly the software related products. And you can always sign up with the start for free, and normally they charge around $5, which is like kind of a user registration fee. So once you log into it, you can see this dashboard, and over here you can, when you click on the products and top sellers, you can see the different products that are top performing, and you can click on the affiliate information and get more details for that particular product. Last marketplace which I will discuss to you, which is brand new, and this is called Explodely, and this is a new affiliate platform that has been built by a group of affiliate marketers, and it's very friendly, and it also looks similar to the ClickBank one. And here you can find more products related to internet marketing and biz op niche, which is the make money online niche. So you can always sign up for free. It is free 100%, and you can click on the free sign up. Over here you reach this homepage, which is the Explodely homepage, and over here you can see it is almost similar to ClickBank, and you can go and click on the e-biz and e-marketing niche, which is the make money online niche. And over here you can see the different products that are available, and you can just go and click on promote and get the link and get started. Now that's all for the top 5 affiliate marketplaces that we want to discuss today. Now next, if you're someone who wants to know how these top affiliate marketers around this planet make thousands, if not 10,000s, if not hundreds of thousands per month with affiliate marketing, then please check out my top recommended mentorship program, where you can learn all these secrets. So when you click on the my top recommended secret mentorship program over in the description box below, you will reach this page called Welcome to Passive Income Profits, which is by my own mentor Ben from Singapore. And over here you can see the beginners club, which is $97 USD one time. And when you click on this check curriculum button over here, you can learn all the top 4 strategies that the top marketers around this world use in order to profit thousands, if not hundreds of thousands per month in affiliate marketing. Now, the first you can see these are different videos in bite-sized so that you can take action step by step. So you can learn all about affiliate marketing, email marketing, how to get your custom domain and how to get done your funnel and how to set up your email autoresponder, Getresponse or AWeber. And you can see the different CPA offers and how to get your traffic and how to get your social media marketing and paid ad success secrets. And then you can see about Google ads and how to track your Google ads and about Microsoft advertising, which is the Bing. And for lastly, the course creation success secrets. Now, this is going to be a huge bite-sized approach where you can see more than hundreds of video, where as a beginner, you can completely learn one by one with the help of the mentor. So when you see over here in this beginners club, you'll have more than 100 videos on top 4 strategies that top marketers use, which is email marketing, social media marketing, paid ads training, and course creation training. And also how to penetrate overseas market. And you will get a lifetime Facebook group support where the mentor will answer each and every questions within this group in less than 24 hours. And you will get continuous guidance in your Facebook group. You can also earn from this affiliate program. Whenever you promote this beginners club, you will earn a 30% commission. So if you're really interested and want to learn as a beginner, then please check this beginners club. Enroll into this beginners club program where you can learn step by step and start earning money. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training tutorial series where I'm going to talk about Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. Thank you. Bye bye.